Hey you guys, I hope you're doing well. So today we are back at CVS for the second week of the CVS sales ad, and there isn't a whole lot of new digital coupons that we got this week. I was kind of disappointed when I clipped my coupons in the app this morning, but we do have a couple of new rebates that I found in Ibotta that I think we can work with. And there's also some different deals that I heard other people and saw other people post that I definitely want to let you guys know about. So we will go over all of the deals that were not in last week's video at the beginning of this video, and then the repeat deals towards the end of the video. And I do think I'm going to grab a couple of things that I need around the house for deals that we had going on last week. For example, the trash bag deal. I think I'm going to stock up just because I feel like that deal is so good. And it's even cheaper using the buy one get one free sale price and a 4 off 20 CRT than like Walmart's prices, their regular prices, or even their sale prices, their rollback prices. So I think I'm definitely going to pick up some of those as well. I also want to see if some of the things that were sold out last week, like the Gold Bond lotion, are back in stock this week. So fingers crossed. Let me know what you guys are doing this week if you're heading into CVS and what you're planning on grabbing this week. And also let me know if you guys are getting any spend CRTs in your email or if we're getting % off CRTs, because I have not gotten those back yet, but I heard that some people are. So definitely check your CVS emails, check and search CVS in your email inbox to see if you got anything, and let me know in the comment section. Okay, first up for new deals this week, we have the Nivea lotion. It's spend 20, get back a $10 extra buck, and this is a different promotion than the body wash and the shaving products. The lotion products are spend 20, get 10 as well. So what you can do is grab 3 of the small bottles at $6.79. Those 3 will total you $20.37. See if you have a $2 lotion digital coupon. I don't have it for some reason, but if you do, you can use that. You would pay $20.37 though if you don't have any, and then you'll earn back your $10 extra buck. And then you can submit to Ibotta for $2 back on each bottle, getting $6 back from Ibotta, making your final cost just $4.37 for all 3 bottles. And if you don't already have Ibotta, you can sign up with the link in the description box down below or the pinned comment to get a $5 bonus. Okay, now an option if you want to do the body wash instead, you can do the spend 20, get 10 on these as well. Grabbing 2 of the women's at $6.99 and 1 of the men's at $5.99 would total you $19.97. Your store would have to participate in the 98% rule, meaning you don't have the new updated registers in order for this to work. So $19.97, you can use a $2 digital coupon for Nivea men's body wash, and you'd be left to pay $17.97, earning back that $10 extra buck. And then you can submit to Ibotta for $1 back on the men's and $1 back on each of the women's, getting $3 back from Ibotta, making your final cost just $4.97 for 3 body wash. That is a really great deal. Okay, next we have an option for Neutrogena facial care that's spend 30, get back an $8 extra buck this week. You can grab 2 of the deep clean cleansers at $9.79, and then 1 of the new Nivea Hydro Boost lips. These are brand new to my store. They just got them this week and they're $13.89 at my store. So all 3 items total $33.47. If you have it, use a 5 off 20 Neutrogena CRT. I usually get those, but I haven't been getting them the past 2 weeks, but hopefully you do have them, or hopefully you have the 3 off 10 CRT that I know some people are getting this week. Using the 5 off 20 though, for the math purposes, and using a $5 digital that attaches to Hydro Boost items, including the lip product, and a $2.50 off 1 digital for the cleanser, you'd be left to pay $20.97, earning back your $8 extra buck. And then you can submit for an Activate Rewards Visa gift card for when you spend 30, you get back a $10 Visa gift card. So after that, it makes all 3 products just $2.97. And I will have that Activate Rewards link. It's activaterewards.com/holiday. I'll have it linked in the description box down below for you guys. Okay, this next deal is on Tylenol patches that I just found out about. They're $7.59 for the large patches and buy one, get back a $5 extra buck. And I saw this post on Instagram from Lorena at Mimundo con Cupones, so definitely make sure to follow her. So grabbing 1 of these, you can use a $3.50 off 1 digital coupon. They're $7.59 at my store. So you'd be left to pay $4.09, earning back that $5 extra buck. That would make these a 91-cent moneymaker. As you can see, people at my store already found out about this deal. They are sold out, but hopefully your store has some in stock so you can score this moneymaker. Select of the Colgate toothpaste, the more expensive ones, the bigger size, are buy 2, get back a $6 extra buck this week. So what you can do is grab 2 of them at $5.69, the Colgate totaling $11.38. You can use a $3 off 1 digital coupon for 1 of them, and you'll get back that $6 extra buck after paying $8.38. And you can submit to Inbox Dollars for a $3 manufacturer coupon rebate for the second one that you did not use a digital coupon for. So that's going to make 2 of them a 62-cent moneymaker. Another way that you can do this deal with no rebates required is grabbing one of the Colgate Total at $5.69 and one of the Tums Kids at $6.59. So those two would total $12.28. We have a $3 digital for the Colgate Total again, and then a $2 digital for the Colgate toothpaste, including the Tums Kids toothpaste. So you'd be left to pay $7.28, earning back your $6 extra buck, making both of these $1.28. We have an awesome unadvertised deal on the Honest Baby Wipes. Buy one, get one 50% off, and buy two, get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab the bigger packs at $6.49, totaling $9.73. You'd pay that, earn back your $5 extra buck, and that would make two of these just $4.73 for two. An even cheaper way that you can do this deal is grabbing two of the smaller packs at $4.29 of the flushable wipes, totaling $6.43. You'd pay that and earn back the $5 extra buck, making two of them just $1.43. And these packs are on a rack in front of the diapers at my store. Next, we have a deal on the Fancy Feast gems at $2.49. They're buy one, get one 50% off, so two would total $3.73. We have two separate $1 digital coupons for these, so that'll take off $2, and you'll be left to pay $1.73, and then you can submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each one, getting $1 back, making your final cost 73 cents for two. Confirming that the small 3-ounce Gold Bond is included in the buy one, get back a $5 extra buck deal. So that's really exciting. Of course, my store is sold out, but you can grab one of these at my store. They're $6.29. You'd pay that, get back your $5 extra buck, making it just $1.29, and these may be priced lower at your store. The Irish Spring and Soft Soap Body Wash are buy one, get one 40% off, and buy two, get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab two soft soaps at $6.59, totaling $10.54, and use a 4 off 2 digital coupon that we have. You'd be left to pay $6.54, earning back that $4 extra buck, makes your final cost $2.54 for 2 bottles. Okay, next we're going to get into a spend 30, get back a $10 extra buck scenario. So what you're going to do is pick up 3 of the Olay body wash at $6.99 and 1 of the Dove Men Plus Care at $8.99, totaling $29.96. So your store would have to participate in the 98% rule to do this scenario for the spend 30, get 10. And then you're going to use a 5 off 3 digital coupon for the Olay and a $3 off digital coupon for the Dove Men Plus Care. So you'd be left to pay $21.96, earning back your $10 extra buck would make your final cost for all 4 body washes $11.96. If you do have a P&G PG Good every day, or not PG Good every day, pgbrandsaver.com. It used to be called that. Now it's called pgbrandsaver.com. $5 OTC payment from submitting your receipts and earning the reward. You can definitely use that since you're getting Olay products that are P&G. $11.96 is a great deal for 4 body wash, and make sure to also check your Fetch rewards because I know there are some point rebates for Olay. If your store carries the Miss Meyer's Holiday Edition hand soaps, grab 2 of them at $6.89. These are buy 2, get back a $4 extra buck. So for 2, you'd pay $13.78. You'd earn back that $4 extra buck, and then you can submit to Inbox Dollars for $5 back on 2 of those, making your final cost after extra buck and Inbox Dollars rebate just $4.78 for 2 of them, which is a great deal. I'll have Inbox Dollars linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comments. You can get a $5 bonus. The Neutrogena makeup wipes, the 25 count, are $6.99 and buy 2, get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab 2, totaling $13.98. Use a 4 off 2 digital coupon and a 3 off 10 Neutrogena CRT if you have it. You'd be left to pay $6.98, earning back your $4 extra buck would make 2 of them just $2.98 or just $1.49 each. The Neutrogena acne products are spend 15, get back a $7 extra buck. So if your store participates in the 98% rule, you can grab the acne patches at $14.99. Use a $3.50 off digital coupon and a 3 off 10 Neutrogena CRT if you have it. You'd be left to pay $8.49, earning back that $7 extra buck would make your final cost for this just $1.49. Okay, now a deal if you want to bundle the acne and the wipes deal. Grabbing the acne patches at $14.99 and 2 of the wipes at $8.29, either the Night Calming or the Hydra Boost, totaling $31.57. You can use a $3.50 digital for the patches and a 4 off 2 digital for the wipes, along with a 5 off 20 Neutrogena CRT if you have it. You'd be left to pay $19.07, but you'd earn back $11 in extra bucks, $7 for the acne and $4 for the wipes. And you can submit for the Activate Rewards rebate for when you spend $30 before coupon on select Johnson & Johnson branded items, including Neutrogena. You earn back a $10 Visa card. So after the $11 in extra bucks and $10 Activate Rewards, which I'll have linked in the description box down below, it'll make all 3 of these products a $1.93 moneymaker. We did just get a $5 digital coupon for L'Oreal facial care, so you could grab the toner at $8.59, and using that would make it just $3.59, or you could also use it on some of the cheaper priced cleanser products. Okay, the Burt's Bees skincare are buy two, get back a $3 extra buck. So grab two at $3.89 and use a dollar digital coupon that we have. You'd be left to pay $6.78, earning back your $3 extra buck, and that would make two of the masks just $3.78. EcoTools and Real Techniques are spend 15, get back a $10 extra buck. So one way you could do it is grabbing this brush set for $15.49. You'd pay that, earn back your $10 extra buck, making it just $5.49. Or there's this brush set for $14.99 with the 98% rule. It would be just $4.99 after the $10 extra buck back. Neutrogena makeup are spend 10, get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab one of the mascaras at $11.49 and use a $3 digital coupon that we just got for that. You pay $8.49, earn back the $5 extra buck, and that's going to make one of the Neutrogena mascaras just $3.49. Maybelline products are buy two, get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab two of the Maybelline single eyeshadows at $4.99 each, totaling $9.98, and use the $4 instant CRT that we got from Maybelline. You pay $5.98, get back your $5 extra buck, and that would make two of these eyeshadows just 98 cents. Another way that you can do the deal is grabbing two of the baby lips at $5.79 instead, totaling $11.58, and after the $4 CRT, you'd pay $7.58. Earning back that $5 extra buck would make two of these just $2.58. Heads up that Tweezerman products are buy one, get back a $5 extra buck, and some stores do carry the 3-count nail files at $7.49. So if your store does carry those, you'd pay $7.49, making them just $2.49 after the extra buck. Okay, let's get into another spend 30, get back a $10 extra buck scenario, grabbing one of the Tide Liquid at $14.99, one of the small Tide Liquid at $6.99, and one of the Dove Men Plus Care Body Wash at $8.99, totaling $30.97. You can use a high-value $5 digital for the large Tide Liquid, a $1 digital for the small Tide Liquid, and a $3 for the Dove, and you'd be left to pay $21.97, earning back your $10 extra buck, makes all three just $11.97, and you can also use a PG Brand Saver OTC payment if you have one. The Bigger Gain products are on sale for 2 for $15 this week. I love it when the sale comes around. Included are the large Gain liquids, the Gain flings, the Gain fabric softener, some of the beads, and the dryer sheets. So one way you could do it is grabbing one of the liquid and one of the fabric softener, totaling $15, and we have coupon 24 coupons for $2 off of the Gain liquid and $2 off of the fabric softener. So with those two coupon 24 digitals, you'd be left to pay just $11 for two big Gain products, or just $5.50 each. A bunch of the different Total Home products are, again, this ad buy one get one free. Included are the 2 = 4 rolls of the Total Home paper towels, so that's a really great deal. Also included are the trash bags. You could grab 2 of the 2-count trash bags, the 2-roll, at $20.39. 2 of them would total $20.39, and after using a 4 off 20 Total Home CRT, it would be just $16.39 for 4 rolls of Total Home trash bags, or 180 bags total. And also included are the storage bags for Total Home, some of the food storage, including aluminum pans, the plastic Tupperware, and the aluminum foil and parchment paper as well. The Colgate toothpaste are on sale for $3.99, and they're buy two, get back a $3 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of them totaling $7.98 and use a 4 off 2 digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $3.98, earning back that $3 extra buck. Would make your final cost for 2 of them 98 cents, or 49 cents each. Another oral care deal that you can do is grabbing 3 of the Crest 3D whites. The toothpaste are on sale for $3.99 each, and buy 3, get back a $5 extra buck. And then with that, you're going to grab 1 of the Gum Detoxify at $10.99 and 1 of the Brilliance at $10.99 that are spend 15, get back a $7 extra buck. So these 5 toothpastes total $33.95. You can use a 5 off 25 Crest CRT and a 5 off 3 for the cheaper toothpaste. And then in coupon 24, clip a $5 off 1 coupon for the Gum Detoxify and a 5 off 1 for the Brilliance. And you'd be left to pay $13.95, but then you'd earn back a total of $12 in extra bucks for the 2 extra care book deals, making all 5 toothpaste just $1.95. The Gillette and Venus regular razors are buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2, get back an $8 extra buck. So what you can do is grab one of the Mach 3 razors that are $12.89. That will be the full price item, and then one of the Venus 3 razors at $12.89. That'll be your half off item. So 2 would total $19.33 for both of these, and we have a $3 digital for the Gillette and a separate $3 digital for the Venus. So you'd be left to pay $13.33, earning back your $8 extra buck, makes the 2 of them just $5.33. And check your store's prices, because your store may have them priced cheaper and it may be an even better deal for you. If you'd rather get the cartridges, you can also do that deal instead. They're buy one, get one 50% off, and buy two, get back a $10 extra buck. So grab the 4-count of the Mach 3 at $17.29, and then the Venus 3 4-count at $17.29 as well, totaling $25.93. These are attaching to the same $3 digital for the Gillette and the $3 digital for the Venus. We do have $5 digitals, but they're attaching to the more expensive cartridge packs, not the cheaper ones. So using those two $3 digitals, you'd be left to pay $19.93. Earning back your $10 extra buck would make two of the refill packs just $9.93. If your store carries the 8-count of the Tums Chewy Bites at $3.89, grab two of them, totaling $7.78. You'll earn back a $5 extra buck on two, making two of them just $2.78. Okay, so select of the gift cards are spend $75, get back a $15 extra buck. That is a really great deal. It comes along every once in a while, and I especially like doing it around the holidays so I can stock up on gift cards and earn back some extra bucks to give as gifts, and use the extra bucks for my couponing, of course. Included this week are the Applebee's, the Lowe's, Fandango, GameStop, Bath and Body Works, and again, the Zillions. And check your store for any more that are tagged. You can grab those as well. The Honey Bunches of Oats are on sale for $1.99, so grab two of them at $3.98. You're going to pay that, and then you'll earn back $1 on two on Ibotta, making two boxes just $2.98 or $1.49 each. So I ended up grabbing just two of the Total Home garbage bags at buy one, get one free at $20.39, and I used my 4 off 20 Total Home CRT. So with that and using some 2% cash back, extra bucks, I paid just $16.24, including using my $10 Care Pass. So it ended up being just a net cost of $16.24 before tax for two double packs of the trash bags, which I thought was a really good deal, and that's all that I picked up today. I hope you guys enjoyed this CVS deals video. I will be live next Saturday going over the new deals, and I will catch you guys in next week's Sunday video for a new CVS ad.